When we think about colour in the garden, our minds naturally go to flowers or even foliage. But during the autumn, we get spectacular colour from berries, and they really do add some sense of personality into the garden. They are beautiful. Now take a look at here. This is a Skimmia. This one's called Temptation. And look at those berries. What marvellous colour. This almost, I suppose, peachy type of colour, backed onto this massive emerald green foliage that stays green for all year round. Whenever you're getting berrying plants into the garden, the key thing is to remember that, not all of them are poisonous, but eaten in sufficient quantity, they can cause upset stomach. So always be very careful and read the label. Some berrying plants as well need a male variety to pollinate with the female to create the berries, so always ask at your garden centre. But there are so many different ones to choose from. Even if you look at fruiting trees, this is a malus, otherwise known as a crab apple, and it has these spectacular fruits. This one here, quite aptly named, is called Gorgeous. But there are other ones. There's John Downey, which is a lovely greeny come reddy fruit. Golden Hornet, which is bright gold. So you get these mass, and they're very good pollinators for apples as well. Now, if you're looking for trees that produce berries, now this is a Cotoneaster. You'll see them throughout the country with their masses of berries. This is a lovely one here. You can't quite see it yet. It's called Hybridus Pendulus, which means its branches weep down, and you get masses of berries from top to toe with this plant. And over here, these are Hypericums. Now this is a range that's marketed called Miracle, and there are different colours that go with it. There's a red, there's a white, and also this lovely pinky one as well. And you can see it follows the flowers. There's some of the Hypericum flowers, which then turn into berries. So you get foliage, flower, and the berries too, which is marvellous. But not all berries are just down to being white, red, and pink. You get some blue ones too. Now this is a Viburnum tinus that's just finished flowering, and look at the massive colours. They're almost, pewter type colour. It's quite haunting. It adds a different dimension into the garden, whether it's the fruits of a crab apple or massive varieties of different types of berrying plant. It adds something a little bit extra into the garden. A lot of colour, a lot of interest, and of course, a lot of food for the birds.